Hey guys, Sean here, Bajan HBK from D Sweet Deals, coming to you with another video of what's sold. If it's your first time here, go ahead and hit that like button, smash that subscribe button. Today we're going to try to switch it up a little bit different and do what's sold for the past couple of days instead of what's sold over the weekend. So, let's go. Alright guys, so we're going to go over what's sold in the past couple of days, what's sold on eBay, and a couple things on Posh. I'm going to go ahead and put a screen of the things that's being sold right up here above, probably right here, maybe right here. Alright, so the first thing that sold were these Nike Dunk Sky High women's size 7. Now these Nikes are rare to find because they don't make Nikes like these anymore. They sold for 90 bucks with free shipping. I picked them up at the thrift store for about 10 bucks. So not a bad flip there. Next up is these Rainbow High Fantasy Friends Series 1 perfume slime making kit. This one I had up as an auction, sold for about 10 bucks. Buyer pays for shipping. Next up are these women hipster medium coverage bikini bottoms from Kono Soul. Now these I have as part of a bulk wholesale deal, so I'm probably into these about maybe $2 a pair. They sold for 14 bucks and the buyer pays shipping. And next up is another Rainbow High Fantasy Series 1 slime making kit. This one was in an auction. This was up for sale. The buyer paid full price of $24 with free shipping. Next up is the Vineyard Vine shorts. Got these at the thrift store. Probably paid about 5 bucks for them. Sold for 22 and the buyer pays shipping. Now next up is these JBU Jamba Tahoe Max Ready slip-on sneakers or shoes. Now I seen these in the thrift store. Never heard of this brand before. Picked them up, thought they were just basic water shoes, but I noticed they were brand new, so I decided to look them up in store and saw that they were selling for a good profit, so I picked them up. Paid about 5 bucks for them. Sold for about 25 plus the buyer pays shipping. Next are these Adidas NEO Cloud Foam Advantage Clean Court shoes. Got these at the thrift store for about 10 bucks. They sold on eBay for about 29 and the buyer pays shipping. And the next one up is some UGG brown butter waterproof fleece line boots. These I waited till there was a 75% off sale. Picked them up for about 10 bucks and they sold for about 60 bucks and the buyer paid shipping. So let's go on to Poshmark. So over on Poshmark, we sold some Stars and Above women's pajamas. They were also part of a wholesale deal, so I should be into those for about 2 bucks. Sold for 22 bucks with the buyer paying shipping. Okay, next up is the Chaps Denim women's sleeveless tank top. Picked this up out of the thrift store. Spent about 3 bucks on it. Sold for $18 with the buyer paying shipping. Next up is these Durango men's Western Cowboy boots. This was another find that I picked up at the thrift store with the 75% off sale. And I got these for about 10 bucks. And they sold for about 49 bucks with the buyer paying shipping. So we got about a profit of about 37 bucks out of this one. And last, we have some Missona for Target cereal bowls. 8. They're about 8 in this set. I got these part of another bulk deal. Should be into these for about 3 bucks. Have another set that hasn't sold yet, but these sold for about 25 bucks and the buyer paid shipping. Alright guys, so that's what sold in the past few days. If you want to see more videos like this, just leave a comment below. Next time we do a what sales video, we're going to try to switch it up a little. Try to show the products before we package them and see how that goes. So, don't forget to smash that like button, hit that subscribe button, and until next time, Sean, Page and HBK. I'll see you then.